So previously we have looked at Walton's one of the best budget phone with some amazing features, which is the Walton HM4. So this time Walton came up with another budget king, and it is the Walton H6 Plus. So what's up guys, it's Zakir here, and I'll be taking a look at the Walton H6 Plus today. So without much further ado, let's get straight into it. But before starting the video, a huge thank you to Walton Mobiles for making this video possible. Check them out from the description box down below, and also the address on the screen right now, so make sure to head over and check them out. Also a huge thank you to Zars Clothing for sponsoring this video and making this video possible for us. Make sure to go and check out their amazing collection of long sleeve t-shirts, hoodies, and other good stuff that they produce every now and then. They have new designs coming up really soon, so make sure to go and stay tuned with them. And if you want any custom designs, make sure to go and check their Facebook page. I'll link in the description box down below so that you can order from there. So now, getting in the video, let's get started with the design. I think most people will just buy the phone because of its design. Simply, it is really nice. Speaking about the build quality of the phone, the build quality is just first class. The phone feels really sturdy and durable, and there is nothing I would complain about. The back has a really nice aluminum panel which feels really great, and to be honest, seeing something in such a low priced phone really impresses me because of how companies think now. Overall, the build quality and the design is just amazing. The phone is really thin. Right side of the phone has the volume rocker and the power button. There is a fingerprint sensor at the back right below the camera so that you can reach it. Not a huge fan of the fingerprint sensors placed there, but really don't have anything to say because it's a budget phone. However, Walton, if you're watching this, really would like to see something a lot better next time. The phone comes with a 13 megapixel autofocus rear camera with LED flash and 8 megapixel off front camera with front LED flash. The cameras do take really good pictures. The color and contrast of the camera is not on point, but to be honest, it is kind of okay. However, I would like to see something a lot better, especially taking pictures at really bright situation. Pictures do come out looking odd and weird. I have no idea why, but it's just something like that. So really, there should be some improvement with the camera, so please do make sure to develop the camera a little bit. Now, talking about the display, the Walton H6 Plus has a 5.5-inch IPS display with a resolution of 1280 by 720. The display has vibrant color. You can watch full HD videos without any problem. Viewing angles were perfect. The display is perfect for the price. The Walton H6 Plus runs at 1.3 GHz quad-core processor with 3 GB of RAM, 16 GB ROM, and 16 GB of storage, which can be expanded up to 128 GB. Phone comes with a Android 7.0, which is updatable to Oreo 8.0, so don't really worry about it. Walton H6 Plus has a battery life of 3000 mAh. This phone comes with Mali T720 GPUs for really smooth gaming. However, don't expect to run and install huge apps here, because this at the end of the day is a really budget phone, so do keep that in mind. You can watch your favorite movies with the Mali T720 GPU beautifully and perfectly. You can also play small games, as earlier mentioned, without lagging on single player, but it's hard to play in multiplayer because of how the phone lags. You're also getting OTG support with the mobile, so you can use keyboard, mouse, or pen drive in your device. One of my favorite features is multitasking. Walton H6 Plus is a killer for its price. If you guys want to check it out, I will put a link in the description box down below, as mentioned in the very starting of the video. So that's basically for today, guys. I hope you have really enjoyed the video. If you did, then make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for similar content like this. All my social medias, including my website, is linked in the description box down below. If you guys want to see a written review of this smartphone, make sure to go and comment down below. I'll upload it on my website so that you guys can go and read it whenever you want to. Other than that, I hope you really enjoyed it. Once again, huge thank you to Walton Mobiles for making this video possible. Also a huge thank you to Zars Clothing for making this video possible. Make sure to go and check all of their collections out. Really awesome collection on what they make and what they help people to produce. I really do appreciate every single individuals working hard in order to make their dream come true. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you all really enjoyed it. This is Zakir Ahsan, and I'm signing out. Goodbye. Peace.